Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello, amazing learners! Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we're taking your skills to the next level with 3 advanced tenses of the verb to be. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use present continuous, past continuous, and present perfect confidently in your conversations. Let's go! Part 2. The verb to be. Present continuous. We use it to talk about actions or states happening right now or around this moment. Think of it like taking a photo of what is happening at this exact time. Am or is or are plus being. So we always combine the verb to be with being. I will give you the verb to be in present continuous with an example in a sentence so that we can understand the meaning of the verb to be. Present continuous. I am being careful. You are being careful. He is being careful. She is being careful. It is being careful. We are being careful. They are being careful. See how easy it is? The structure never changes. Am or is or are plus being plus adjective. Keep repeating these sentences, and soon you'll use them naturally in conversations. Examples. I am being patient. Say it with me. I am being patient. I am being patient. She is being very polite. She is being very polite. Repeat after me. She is being very polite. They're being noisy. Say it with me. They're being noisy. They're being noisy. Tip. This tense is perfect when you want to describe behavior happening at this exact moment. Past continuous. Used to describe something that was happening at a specific moment in the past. The form is was or were plus being. Past continuous. I was being honest. You were being honest. He was being honest. She was being honest. It was being honest. We were being honest. They were being honest. Notice the pattern. Was with, I, he, she, it. Were with, you, we, they. Examples. I was being curious yesterday. I was being curious yesterday. Say it with me. I was being curious yesterday. He was being silly in class. Repeat after me. He was being silly in class. He was being silly in class. They were being very helpful. Say it with me. They were being very helpful. They were being very helpful. Being helpful is a wonderful habit. Great example. Tip. This is great for storytelling about past events. Use to talk about experiences or actions that started in the past and affect the present. Think of the present perfect as a bridge connecting the past with the present. What started before still affects you now. Present perfect. Think of have or has plus been as a time traveler machine. It shows something started in the past but continues to be true now. I have been tired. Great! This shows a state that connects past to present. I have been tired. You have been tired. He has been tired. She has been tired. It has been tired. We have been tired. They have been tired. Keep going. You're not just learning grammar, you're learning to tell your story in English in a natural way. Examples. I have been tired all week. Say it with me. I have been tired all week. I have been tired all week. She has been a great teacher for 5 years. Repeat after me. She has been a great teacher for 5 years. She has been a great teacher for 5 years. They have been very helpful. Repeat after me. They have been very helpful. They have been very helpful. Tip: perfect for talking about life experiences or ongoing situations. Common mistakes. We was being careful. We were being careful. The mistake here is using was with we, while the correct form is were with plural subjects, we, you, they. She had been happy yesterday. She was happy yesterday. The mistake here is using present perfect, have been, with yesterday, which refers to a specific past time. In this case, we must use the past simple was. Mistakes are not your enemy, they're signs of progress. Each mistake you fix is one more step toward fluency. Practice section. Fill in the blanks. Take your time and try to answer the question. Good job! Use is with she, he, it in the present continuous. Pause for a moment and answer the question before checking below. Excellent! They were being very helpful yesterday. Don't forget the word yesterday. It signals the past. That's why we use were. Remember what we learn. Ready to answer? Great! I have been ready all morning. Remember, in present perfect, have goes with I, you, we, they. Amazing job! You see how powerful the verb to be is in different tenses. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent your English will sound. Remember, you are learning, you are improving, and you will be fluent. Like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video.